The parsnip, a root vegetable that has been cultivated for centuries, originates from the Mediterranean region of Europe and Western Asia. It has a rich history that stretches back to ancient civilizations, particularly the Romans, who valued it as a staple food source before the introduction of the potato. Unlike the modern-day parsnip, the ancient variety was smaller, tougher, and sweeter due to the cooler temperatures of the region, which allowed the vegetable to thrive. It was believed that the vegetable was introduced to northern Europe during the Roman Empire's expansion, where it became a key crop in colder climates, thriving through the harsh winters. Over time, the vegetable adapted to different soils and climates, developing the larger, sweeter form we recognize today. Parsnips are unique for their long, cream-colored roots, which have a distinctive, earthy flavor with a hint of nuttiness and sweetness, especially after being exposed to frost. The root's sweet taste is due to the starches transforming into sugars as the plant matures, a process that increases when the roots are exposed to cold temperatures. This feature made parsnips especially popular in the winter months when other crops were difficult to grow. During medieval times, parsnips were not only consumed but also used in medicinal practices. Their high fiber content, combined with the presence of antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C, made them valuable for digestive health. People would use parsnips to treat ailments such as indigestion, high blood pressure, and even respiratory issues, relying on them as a natural remedy before the advent of modern medicine. By the 18th and 19th centuries, the parsnip began to decline in popularity, especially after the introduction of the potato, which was easier to grow and had a higher yield. However, parsnips never disappeared completely. They continued to be grown in various parts of Europe, especially in regions with cooler climates where the vegetable thrived. They became a staple in rural diets, where the hearty root vegetable served as a reliable and nutritious food source during the winter months when fresh produce was scarce. Over the years, parsnips found their way into various traditional dishes, such as stews, soups, and pies, where they added depth of flavor and texture. In modern times, parsnips are still celebrated in both home gardens and commercial farming, particularly in countries like the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. They have enjoyed a resurgence in popularity, often found in gourmet recipes and as a popular side dish during the winter holiday season. Parsnips are rich in dietary fiber, folate, potassium, and antioxidants, offering a range of health benefits. They are also low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight while still getting a nutritious meal. Today, parsnips are used in a variety of dishes, from roasted parsnips with herbs to creamy soups and even parsnip fries. Their versatility and unique flavor have made them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. In addition to their culinary uses, parsnips have found applications in agriculture and sustainability. Their ability to grow in poor soil conditions and their resistance to pests make them a valuable crop for organic farming. They can also be used as a cover crop to help improve soil health. The leaves of the parsnip plant are sometimes used in composting to add valuable nutrients back into the soil. Some research has even suggested that parsnips could play a role in bioenergy production, as they can be processed into ethanol and other renewable energy sources. As the world continues to look for sustainable food and energy solutions, the parsnip's resilience and adaptability make it a crop that could see even more widespread use in the future.